One of the things, and I talk about this all the time, guys, and I just want to revisit it. If you're not, and this is not just AI that I'm going to talk about right this moment. This is also going to be just how to run your business, right? I don't do anything with my professionals. My professionals would be an example of my professionals would be my estate planning attorneys, my CPA, my coaches. I don't do any of that without recording it because I always want to refer back to it. And a big portion of the value that I'm getting, look, I don't know about you, but during a coaching session, sometimes I get distracted. I might miss a key point. I might just grab what I'm ready for and tune out the rest. But it's amazing to me how much I did not hear during that coaching call 3 weeks later when I re-listened to that coaching call while I'm working out at the gym. So I just want to encourage, and not to mention, especially with estate planning, which can be very, very complicated, and a lot of terms are used that I don't necessarily understand all the time, or I didn't in the beginning, but now I do. Two tools that I use for that. Number one is going to be Fireflies, right? I use Fireflies. If you've got one of your choice that works better, then more power to you, use it. The key thing is use something, because we all should. I will tell you, having the transcript, now recording it on Zoom is great. You're getting the transcript out of Zoom, sometimes a little bit more difficult. Now things have changed a little bit, and you can get the transcript out of Zoom a little bit easier than it used to be. It used to be a little bit of a hassle to get the transcript, and now they've got it pretty much being typed on the side. This is a property management meeting. I love the fact that at any point in time, I can search for the word plumbing. When a property manager says, hey, that didn't come up, we didn't talk about that, I can just search for the word. I can find it in the conversation. I can copy and paste the transcript over here into ChatGPT and say, give me a summary. Because sometimes I find that they all kind of forget a few of the things that we talked about, like the deliverables, like what we're going to do, what each person is supposed to be doing. My manager, there's a list of action items. My regional, there's a list of action items. And then one of my partners, there's a list of action items. Sometimes as I read through those action items right after the meeting, it seems a little bit shorter than I think it should be. So I generally will put if I think that it's short, I'll put that right into ChatGPT, and I'll generate and see if there's a difference between the deliverables. Maybe I thought I heard something I didn't. But I love this also because it does record the video, and then I can watch the video. I can click down here. I can change the speed. I can download it. I generally download it and put it on my tablet because I can watch it from a player. But it's pretty nice to have that available. Now I'll tell you, if it's something that's more important to me, like one of my advisors, my estate planning advisor, my CPA, an attorney on any case that may be going on for whatever reason, I will still record that on Zoom in addition to this, and I will save that to my computer. So this is really, really cool. If you ever wonder who talks the most during your meetings, it does tell you who talks the fastest, who talks the most. It's pretty amazing to be able to just kind of go through this and see what's going on for a meeting and have it to refer back to. It also gives you the ability to put it into folders so you can store your property management meetings. I have not come to the end of the video that they'll allow me to record on there like I have on Zoom. So I'm pretty amazed by it. I know there's Otter. I know there's free versions. Hey, you find whatever's comfortable for you. But if you're going to Zoom meetings regularly and you don't have a recording tool yet, and again, I will encourage you, get off the free version. I'm sure you're missing the boat on some things. Generally, nothing that has some features that you might be interested in is going to be free. So